Hello, everyone, and welcome to the last day of 2024. And today we are moving into 2025. So it's a very special day because we are transitioning into a whole new year. And so it's very important for us to be able to receive this newness, to receive this new year, and allow for the abundance that it comes with. So I would like to present to you today the 10 sequence, which is in the core, and I'm adapting it a little bit for self-care. And let's just jump right into it. Hold our high 19 and just take a moment to see which side you like to work on. And if you know that one side of your shoulder, the upper back is tighter than the other, you can go into that upper arm. So high 19 opens up our chest line. It connects us to spirit. It connects us to source. It allows for our heart and our lungs to open. So leave one hand there, and then the other hand will place it on the inside of the knee, like so, which will, when we want to open up this area, this chest line, the energy needs to move down. And number one, the safety energy location number one, we'll just do that. It allows for us to move forward in life, to get stuckness in our body, mind, and spirit to move. So one, the prime mover is very important. On a physical level, if you have knee projects, and this is a perfect hold, you can place your fingertips right onto where the project is. So let's take a few breaths here. Allowing for the exhale. So 10 means new beginning. The meaning is new beginnings. And that means inhale, receiving. And so for that to happen, it's very important that location number 9 is open, which is right below it. Number 9 is here. And for self-help, we hold 19. So let's get into our 19 here. It's right on the elbow. It's very comfortable to move through material. So you can put your t-shirt over and then place your thumb on the inside and your fingers on the outside. And here we're opening up 19. If high 19 harmonizes our emotions and connects us to spirit, brings about creativity, then 19 harmonizes and calms our mind and supports our intellectual body. So when we're thinking a lot, we sometimes get into our heads too much, then 19 will harmonize that, right? So that we're not talking or thinking to escape. You know, we say every word spoken with awareness. So let's take a few breaths here. Again, 10 is all about bringing in the new, bringing about abundance, and 19 is about the ending of cycles. And if we don't properly end the cycle, then it's very difficult to bring about the new. And 19, if it helps 9, meaning the end of a cycle, for 10, abundance, to be able to happen, the energy moves up to back. So if 9 is stuck, the energy cannot ascend and will block number 10. So with this flow, the 10 sequence, we allow for new beginnings to be possible, the possibility of new beginnings. And that's what this Wellness Wednesday is about. It's about bringing about new beginnings so that we can receive all that 2025 has to offer us. With that in mind, let's exhale completely, all the way to the toes. So we have many different ways in the art of jinshin to allow for the exhale, to bring about the new. And the locations, they will tell us this story. They each have different qualities. And when we hold them and practice them, we're working on different energetic levels, allowing for energy to flow and healing our own bodies. exhale. So when you feel a pulsation now, that's the movement of energy, and energy spirals from the skin surface to the deepest part of our body, to our core. And then let's take our hand from 1 and moving it to 16, which is located right here, right below the ankle bone. And you can make a figure 4. It's important that you are comfortable. So if 16 is not available for you, if it's too far down and you're not comfortable, then you can always hold 8, which would be then on the same line as the 16. But if you can reach it, by all means, please do. Then if we can, we stay true to the way the flows and sequences are displayed in the books. So 16 also brings about the new. It breaks down the old so that the new can come. So this flow is very much about bringing in the new and letting go of the old. Again, 16 the same. 16 also harmonizes the head, so great for headaches, or let's say you party too much, you drink too much, and you have a headache, then 16 will help energy to descend and kick that headache. So some of us need that for New Year's Eve. So this flow is perfect for that. And then if there's any tightness, you can stay a little bit longer on your 16. And if it's open, you can move to the big toe. The pad of the big toe, location number 7, clears us from head to toe. And also the meaning is stillness. There's a moment of space between the exhale and the inhale, and that happens at the big toe. So you can go even all the way to the tip of the big toe. That's where this moment of stillness takes place. So bring some awareness to this moment of stillness between the exhale and the inhale. That's where a lot of the healing takes place. That's where we let go of the old and bring in the new. So it's important that we clear our heads, our bodies, our emotions from 2024 to have a new beginning in 2025. So we'll end this flow right here. Let's place our hands together and ending with this beautiful mudra. Keeping the middle fingers up and folding the rest of your fingers. This mudra helps our center line, the chakras, and allows us again to exhale so that we can receive the inhale. So you see how in the art of jinshin also everything is connected, and so is everything in your body. And I wish you all a very, very happy, healthy, and successful 2025.